Hi, my name is Paul, and I'm the Career Counseling Manager at Enhancv. And today I'm going to be talking about how to write an ATS friendly project manager resume that will not only pass the algorithm, but help catch the eye of recruiters and land more interviews for you. So let's dive in. So, one of the things that I highlight about what is required in a good ATS friendly resume is that you have to have the right mix of keywords in your resume to pass the algorithm. So you have to have a mix of programs and tools like Jira and Confluence and other industry key skills like budgeting and risk management. However, I could think of a few that are missing that we could certainly add to this. Leadership, communication, stakeholder management, for example. So let me show you how easy it is to input this into our platform. Now, if you're ever unsure of what words should be included or what words are missing, we always advise people to take a look at the job description for some of the keywords. Every ATS system will compare your resume to a job description, see how much they match. So it's fair to say a lot of the words will be in that job description. What we have that's a neat feature on our platform is we have a built-in ATS tracker right here. So if you click on this resume tailoring button and follow the on-screen instructions, all you have to do is copy paste the job description into this field here, and it'll analyze your resume to that job description and tell you what words are missing. Then you could just put those words back into the skills section. Another section that's very important in the resume for a killer ATS friendly resume is this header right here. Now, the header can have three key elements that you can take from. Now, you don't have to have an example of each element, but here's some examples that can be added. One is certifications and designation. So if you have anything like ITIL, PMP, things like that. Second could be project type. So in IT project management, this could be digital transformation, cloud migration, feature upgrades. And the third category could be industry. So let me show you how you can add some of these things in here. PMP, let's put fintech here. Now that we have a great header, let's talk about another section that's important, and that's a good summary. So one important part is adding how many years that you have in experience. There's always a bullet point in job descriptions that say you need X number of years of experience in order to apply. So putting that right at the top makes it easier for recruiters to tick off that bullet point for your resume. The second piece that I always advise is having an achievement here, and specifically having one where a specific number in there, because that allows recruiters to be able to separate people with similar skill sets. Everyone's going to be managing budgets. That number is able to help them differentiate people with similar skill sets. Another thing that I like to highlight is in the experience section. Now, when we talk about the experience section, again, the key to remember is to try to quantify achievements and have more numbers. So, this allows recruiters to decide who to interview when people have similar skill sets because it shows the difference in size, scope, and scale. So, numbers could be revenue numbers, percentages, team size, people that you've trained, things like that. And finally, the last thing to consider is a very good design. And one part of the design is a template. When you click on this template button here, our platform makes it very, very easy to switch between different templates. I could go into a compact template and it looks like this. I could go into one that has more solid colors. And this is one of the upsides of having a platform that could switch back quickly. Part of the design piece too is you can also change fonts very quickly. So I'll click on this Latos here, change the font, change the colors. And those are good elements to a good resume.